Here's a nice old Brailler I picked up. It's got nice piano key style keys. They are wood. It's not ivory, just some kind of lacquer coating. It works on the same principle as the Perkins Brailler, where it has a bail instead of paper feeding through on our typewriter and then coming right back out as one solid sheet. You have to pre-roll it onto the machine and then it unrolls as you type. There is no carriage return lever, so you do have to advance the platen manually. There's only a left margin set. Margin release is down here, so that just butts up against the type mechanism there. It does have an end-of-line bell there, so your right margin is always on the far right. And this is a backspace, normal space, and then perforation combinations make your Braille cells. This makes a pretty large cell. I have no idea who made this. It's in rough paint shape, but mechanically it's fine. It does have a serial number of 1287. This is in Germany, so I'm assuming it's from in and around Germany. Let's paper this up. So if we look at the roller here, you can see little finger indents to lift up a spring-loaded tab, I guess. And interestingly, the platen is all wood, there's no rubber. The top roller looks like it used to be rubber, but is now hard as rock. And to load up the paper, I have to get this in position, feed this through between the punching mechanism, bring it all the way to the right, close that, and then roll it up. So I did some testing there as my name, and let's give it a whirl. Let's pull up the Braille alphabet here, and let's just do a hello. So H is high middle, E is high middle, L is all left, O space, hello there. Let's do T, H, E, R, E. And bring it back again. You have to bring it over and then roll it up one line. And then you can do what you need. So there we go. Hello there. I don't imagine this is too old because it came in a case that's made out of plastic. Either that or this was custom made for it later. This is like a 70s style briefcase plastic. Although the machine has a 50s feel to it, maybe earlier. Yeah, that's it.